Sister's home.
Wonderful.
Hey, everybody.
That's Julie.
That's Robert.
It's our thing. That's Renee.
Renee's coming in the door.
Yep. Yay.
Okay, so...
We haven't done any videos in a while because we've had a lot of bad things happen in the last month. So, please bear with us. We're going to try to...
Well, I will explain.
She's going to explain.
I don't know how many of y'all heard about the 3 men in Quinlan that passed away in a fire. It's been all over the internet. My son, Brent Bedwell, my ex-husband, Johnny Bedwell, and the owner of the home, Ronnie Fowler, they all burned in a fire. So...
It's been a bad month.
This happened on March 5th. And we haven't done anything. I haven't done anything on my channel except for one thing. I haven't gotten any answers. Well, we're holding his memorial this weekend. This coming weekend, right?
Mm-hmm.
Saturday.
Saturday.
And I have a GoFundMe page. We can put that on here, can't we?
Yeah, we probably can.
I have a GoFundMe page that Robert started for me. Well, actually, he tried to start it in his name, get it all in his name. It wouldn't go.
They don't like me.
He tried for hours. So
He didn't like me.
I had to do it under mine.
Likes her better.
Because I had one when we had our bowling team that we did a fundraiser, and it was under my name.
He likes her better. He doesn't like me at all. But anyway, now for something completely different.
So anyway, if you see me kind of get teary-eyed, that's why. It's because the stuff I'm having to do is for the memorial. I'm not having to plan just one. I'm having to plan two. Because Johnny's family's from Oklahoma, and they're not doing anything, and a lot of his cousins live here. And so I thought, well, you know what? Since they both passed away in the fire, I'll just do it for both of them. Because Johnny and I were friends. I mean, we weren't enemies. Just like Rob and his ex-wife are not enemies. They're friends.
Mm-hmm.
Still, so...
Yeah. So, but anyway, we've been getting out of the house, and if you notice, I'm a little sunburned here, and she's a little sunburned there.
On the legs.
We went and did a concert yesterday for 5-6 bands, and so we're a little tired. So we thought today we'd have breakfast, and we'd go Dollar Tree, and we did.
We had to go to Walmart and get
cat food.
Cat food and cat litter.
Uh-huh.
And I picked stuff up for lunch. We're having hamburgers for dinner. I gotta get some potatoes on here in a little bit to cook.
But so we're gonna go start with this, and what do you want to start with? We'll start with these?
Irving.
No, you want to start with Irving.
This is Irving.
Okay. When we go photograph a concert, a lot of them are outdoors, and there's really no place to sit except on your butt on the concrete. So she got me a little step stool that folds out that I can sit on, so I don't sit in an ant bed or anything like that.
Or the hot concrete.
Or the hot concrete. Or the...
Because I take a chair.
Or the uncomfortable concrete. So.
And when we go to a concert, we have to take snack stuff, water, umbrellas, wash rags that are cold.
Cameras. Yesterday we took 4 cameras with us.
Yeah, I shot with some of mine.
That's good. So we
The
shot.
crowd.
Yeah, we did 4 cameras, and we had a good time. So as best you could, but
We watched Aaron Watson. Hey, Aaron, if you're watching.
hey, thumbs up if you don't know who Aaron Watson is. You need to find out.
He's
Aaron's
a really
cool.
good entertainer. He's
Yep.
really good.
And so this is our haul from Irving, and I had my windshield wiper fluid, the valves, they broke. So I've had a dirty windshield for a while. So I thought, I'm going through Dollar Tree and I would buy these and try them. They're not as good as the Armor All ones, but they work in a pinch. They were $1.25, but they don't
You
have...
wipe this on, you pour some water on the outside, it takes the sticky right off.
Takes it off. So for $1.25,
What do you expect?
what do you expect? Then we went. The whole reason we went to Irving is we were looking for tubs.
Grand Prairie.
We went to Grand Prairie first, and Grand Prairie had these lids, but no, they had
tubs.
2 tubs, but no lids like this. So you could have bought the tubs, but they had no lids to seal them. So we get to Irving, And guess what? Irving has the lids, but no big tubs. And they said, well, you know, that's Christmas. That's Christmas only. And I didn't think about it, but I bought a red one and I bought a green one, and they had gray ones. I think I bought a gray one too.
I bought a little gray one for Brent's stuff.
But they have they have a little bit shallower, kind of like the ones that you put little towels and bedspread, little things like that in them. But anyway.
But we got these because I'm putting up St. Patrick's Day, and I'm gonna get out the spring stuff. Hopefully, make me feel better.
Make me feel better.
Because it's been rough for me. And I have to finish the memorial stuff, and it's only me doing the memorial. My sisters and my little brother are doing the food, so I needed Kleenex.
Tons of Kleenexes. Well,
I've already gone through 2 boxes.
I have a feeling those will come in handy.
Okay, we have a nightlight in our bathroom, but it doesn't give off much light. So I got a new one. $1.25.
Got some brown gravy.
Yeah, that's for a roast tomorrow. I'm going to put a brisket on tomorrow.
And then, she spoils pig.
No.
No, this is for Tommy.
Our cats go through water. How often do they go through water?
Every day.
Almost every day.
Every day.
And
they drink a ton of water.
I have a water fountain for one because she drinks out. She likes drinking out of the sink. So
she likes the aerated water.
We fixed this for them. And then I have one that refuses to drink out of it, and he drinks out of one of these. Then Tommy, the little poop monster he is, he goes up to the little one and goes like that with it and knocks it over and gets everything wet. So I got some bigger, badder,
rubber bottomed ones,
so,
just for Tommy and
Mr. Pooper Tomer.
And then, if they don't like that, we're just gonna spray them.
There you go.
We got it.
Oh shit! This is.
Oh, you just. Whoop! You're going to have to bleep that out.
Nah.
Anyway, it's our thing. But anyway, they had this water sprinkler, which looked pretty cool, for $5 from Black & Decker. Of course, Black & Decker makes everything nowadays. They don't make anything; they're a marketing company. But we thought for $5. What the heck? It's the ones we bought that were $20 and $25. Yeah. Anyway, so we got one of those. And
I use this awesome all-purpose cleaner, and we're just about out of the one that I bought.
It's pretty awesome.
It cleans really good. Even his sister likes it.
Is that an awesome LA cleaner? Mm-hmm. Okay. One of the things I will warn you about the yellow LA Awesome Cleaner. Use it in a well-ventilated room, because if you don't,
you have to use all of them in a well-ventilated room.
Well, then use them all in a well-ventilated room, because the LA Awesome Cleaner will get you. The LA Awesome Cleaner will get you stoned really quick. It is highly potent.
Okay, so Robert and I are going to do a few things today, and one of them is to put this up for my coffee cups, because I've got a lot of coffee cups.
They jump in her buggy.
They won't anymore.
I can't keep them from jumping in her buggy.
They won't jump anymore.
Why?
Joann's is going out of business.
Is it only the Joann's ones?
No. You get them at Dollar Tree.
Not as many.
Not as many, but they still jump.
Yeah, but not as many. So, I gotta go and get a bunch so they'll jump in my buggy. Okay. So, we are doing, he has taken off pictures for me. He's doing pictures off of he's got a big printer, and we were looking for
65-pound printer.
Where's the other thing?
What
they're over here. I
So,
forgot we bought them at the other place.
So we got these at
Did we
Irving.
get these at? No, we didn't get these at Irving.
We got those at Grand Prairie.
Yeah.
We have a whole bunch of Dollar Trees around our place, and we live in Irving.
That's it on our Irving haul.
Yeah. So, but most of the time we prefer to shop either Grapevine or Grand Prairie. You can find more stuff. They're cleaner and they're nicer. So.
And we won't be going to Grapevine anymore because.
We used to go to Joann's when we went out to Grapevine, and they closed the Joann's, or they're closing it, which saddens us. But you know, hey, it is what it is.
Yep.
But she got these. These are.
Well, okay, so we're gonna do Dollar Tree now.
We'll do all Dollar Tree together.
Okay.
So she got these picture frames.
This is from our Grand Prairie on Main Street.
And these are $1.25. You can't buy picture frames hardly for anything that's
And
worthwhile.
what we're going to use these for is I got this black poster board, and I'm going to cut it out to where it fits in one because the
Julie's
track that my son went out to, and he made a lot of friends there.
Yeah, there was a dirt track racetrack in East Texas, and her son's friends all chipped in, and they donated.
They passed the helmet.
Then they made up a sticker they put on all their cars.
Yeah.
And it's really pretty cool. It's a good gesture, and we
so
appreciate
I'm
them a lot.
put it in here because I got his urn. I'm gonna have him cremated, but I got his urn, and I'm gonna put it up here on this
Up on the counter.
cabinet, and I'm gonna put that with it and his picture.
Yeah.
So then that way I can see him all the time.
Yep.
Okay.
Now what?
Now,
I thought it was just me. Okay, we've got. A few years ago, I went to a nursery and I bought some
it was
aloe.
before I got here.
Yeah, it's been about 7 years now. I bought some big aloes, and they're probably about 4 or 5 foot tall. And the problem with them is those things have babies, and they have tons of babies, and those babies are about this long, about that tall, and it does it every year. So if you go to Home Depot or you go to Walmart, when you go to buy those, they're about $15, $20. The great big one I bought, the 2 big ones I bought, cost me $5 in a nursery. So I was like, but now I get tons of them for free. Maybe I ought to sell them to Walmart.
They won't buy them.
Yeah, that's right. They only
Maybe
only buy things from China.
Maybe don't buy their own plant back.
I don't know. But anyway, we needed some pots for them, and then we got some bigger pots for them. So I got half a dozen pots to put them in, and we got planting soil, so we're all good there.
Okay, so the babies' birthdays are coming up. And our pig, I'm spitting on myself, loves these little guys.
Pig had a finger. It was a green finger.
He still has it, but I don't know where it is
We
right
don't know
now.
where
He
it's
normally
at.
gives me the finger in bed, but he hadn't had it in a while. So he likes playing with these and carrying them around, and if anybody else is playing with them.
He likes superheroes.
And I actually got him a couple of pigs. I got him a duck, a Donald Duck, and I got George Pig and Peppa Pig just for my pig. Then I got,
A couple recipe books.
no, I just got one.
Just one.
It's a saute and sizzle because his sister's been cooking also. And so this is something that, if she wants to, she can go through it and find something real quick and easy. And he was okay with that because it's a one-dish thing. And then, I don't know who I got these for.
I can't imagine who would wear those.
You know what's even funnier? I have a pair.
Just like those. So purple.
So I'll have 2 of them.
Okay, so his cousin is, Johnny's cousin has been really, really helpful through this whole ordeal. Are you kidding me?
Why would I kid you?
Are you going to wear those to work?
I might.
So anyway, I got him a thank you card. And it says thank you so much. And I'm going to write a little personal note in it. Then our son's birthday's coming up in April. And then I got him a card. It says, son, today's your day. As you celebrate today, remember 2 important things. You are a wonderful gift to this world, and you are always loved. Even though we might think differently sometimes.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Real differently.
Better
Then-
be different.
For the I got some flameless candles for the table for the whatchamacallit? Flameless candles, so that I got batteries for that.
Believe it or not, we bought 4 packs of AA's, and they were like $5. To buy the same amount of batteries at Walmart is $18.99. And okay, I don't care. Batteries last about the same regardless. Now, if I got 3 times the amount of length of time out of a set of batteries I got at Walmart, it'd be a big thing. It's not. So I'll buy the $1.25 for 8 batteries all day long, and not have to worry about it.
Then he got this little butterfly dream catcher type thing. It's got a little bell on it for $1.25. We're gonna hang that in the window, I think, in the kitchen.
That's gonna go in the kitchen.
With the angel. Okay, now I gotta keep myself. This picture frame is for a picture that I have of Brent. I think it's over there. But he's sitting there as he was a kid with a butterfly on his nose. It's one of my favorite pictures, and so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna put his picture in there because the other frame broke. And then I got some hand soap for the kitchen. I got these little Easter egg things for my table. I didn't buy a lot of Easter stuff this year. Then I got these for somebody too. And they're supposed to say they're supposed to taste like birthday cake. She loves marshmallows. I couldn't imagine who that would be for.
I have no idea.
And then for those, we found these to set in it because these don't have the back on them, and I think I told the granddaughters that if they would like to have these pictures, that we bought 4 or 5 of those, but if they would like to have the pictures of their Uncle Bubba Brent, and their Poppy, that they can have those pictures for them.
Yep, they can have them.
So,
man, my skin's itching from that sunburn.
Because we got a lot. But that was the haul from
$2 trees.
the Dollar Tree in Irving was $32.37. I was right. Then the one from Dollar Tree was $42.50. I was almost right on both of them. Then we went to, we're not going to show our Walmart haul.
Walmart's Walmart.
You know, we got tomatoes.
We bought cat litter
lettuce.
and cat food, if you want to know.
Yeah, and eye stuff.
And I bought a set of knives.
Yes, he bought me a set of knives.
Yeah.
My Mother's Day present early.
Yeah, they had a big box of Hinkle knives on for about half price, and I've been looking at them for a while. And they're if you're cooking like what she cooks on her channel.
I haven't done it in a couple of weeks, but I'm going to start back this week.
Yeah, if you cook like what she cooks on her channel, the Hinkle knives are nice. So they're not exorbitantly fancy. But
he bought me really 2 really nice knives for Christmas, and I haven't really used them because they've been in a box up in the cabinet, and I just bought a magnetic strip to put my knives on. So
yeah. So anyway, is that all our stuff?
I think that is it.
I guess that's all. You know what? She's still Julie.
And that's Robert, my rock.
So, hey, we appreciate you viewing. Like and subscribe. Do all that thing.
And we'll put the GoFundMe down in the description.
We'll put the GoFundMe down there, and like I said, we're sorry. It's been a hell month.
Yeah, I didn't even have the money to bury my child, so that's why he set up the GoFundMe.
So things are gonna be all right. They're gonna be better, and
I don't know about better, but
well, they're gonna be something. Peace, tranquility, and
we'll talk to you later.
See you later.
See you. Bye.
Bye.